If you're experiencing approval delays on Snapchat, follow these steps to help expedite the process. This guide will provide you with simple actions to take for a quicker resolution. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A poor connection can lead to delays in processing approvals. Switch to Wi-Fi or move closer to your router if necessary. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Go to your app store, check for updates, and install any available updates. This can resolve bugs that may be causing delays. Step 3. Clear cache. Clear the cache of the Snapchat app to improve its performance. Go to your device settings, find Snapchat in the app list, and select the option to clear cache. This can help refresh the app. Step 4. Resubmit your requests. If your approval is still delayed, consider resubmitting your request. Double check that all information is accurate and complete before submitting to avoid further delays. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Snapchat support for assistance. Provide them with details about your approval request and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. They can provide specific guidance. By following these steps, you can help resolve approval delays on Snapchat more efficiently. If problems continue, staying in touch with support is your best option.